also seems like it's raining or whatever. Let me take this shit off. See. Also seems like the pitch is a bit wet. I'm not sure. But yeah, we are here. Here's the starting 11 as you can see on the right hand side. What the fuck? Oh, for fuck's sake! What the fuck are you doing at the back? What happened there? What happened? 1-0 to Richards Bay. What? I need to see the replay. Jesus Christ. It better not be Peterson. They are trying to play out from the back. Mloisane. It's a pass to Peterson. For fuck's sake, Peterson! Drop him! Put him on the bench! You absolute mug! What's he doing? Oh man. Oh, this guy, he's back. Ladies and gentlemen, Brendan Peterson is back. Back to his old shit. Oh my Christ. 1-0 to Richards Bay. I can't believe this, man. Sort out your feet. Cuts in. Good play. Shoot! Someone shoot! Raf! Penalty! Penalty to Kaizer Chiefs. Lovely football there. Lovely 1-2 exchanges of passes. Lovely football, lovely stuff, and it's a penalty to Kaizer Chiefs. Penalty to Kaizer Chiefs. Lovely stuff. Oye. Penalty, who's going to take it? Duduzi Shabalala. I don't wanna lie. I don't trust him at all. No, it's going to be Mabue. Yes. Right thing to do. Give it to the best player. Give it to the experienced player. Mabue is going to step up. This should be 1-1. Surely this is 1-1. Just smash it. Cash! 1-1. Smashes the shit out of it. 1-1. We are back. Hold that. Kaizer Chiefs back in the game. 1-1. Lebohang Mabue from the spot. 1-1. We are back. That's how you take a penalty. He smashed the shit out of it. No goalkeeper is saving that. Oh no! Oh no! We have scored. 2-1 to Richards Bay. Oh dear Lord. What the heck, man? What the fuck is wrong with you all? I can't speak. Forget this goal. Yeah. Forget how this goal went in. Let's rewind a bit. What the fuck were they doing trying to play out from the back? Just hoof the fucking ball long. Just hoof it. Just hoof it. There's no crime in clearing the ball. Just kick it away. It was a hospital pass to Peterson. He had to kick it out from a corner. And from that resulting corner, we conceded. We are now 2-1 down. 2-1 down. Out of absolutely nothing. We've gifted Richards Bay 2 goals. 2 goals. Man, you absolute idiots. You absolute idiots. Ball in behind. That should be a goal! Cash! 2-2. Take the ball. Take the ball. Let's go. Let's go. Glove, what a finish. What a finish. What a finish. 2-2. We are back. We still have 12 minutes to play. We can still win this. We can still win this. It was on the plate in the penalty spot. Places it into the top corner. Absolutely no chance for the goalkeeper. That's a finish and a half. We are back 2-2. Let's go. Let's go win it. Let's go win it now. Let's go and win it. Yeah, he's blown it. Full time. Okay, I choose 2. Richards Bay 2. Oh.